France is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world, and for good reason. It has everything you could ever want in a vacation: stunning scenery, rich culture, fascinating history, and delicious cuisine. But with so many amazing places to choose from, how do you decide where to go? Well, don't worry, because I have done the research for you and created a list of the 15 best places to visit in France. Whether you're into art, nature, architecture, or food, you'll find something that suits your taste in this video. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 15 best places to visit in France. The first place on our list is Paris, the capital and the most populous city of France. Paris is a global center for art, fashion, gastronomy, and culture. It has many iconic landmarks, such as the Eiffel Tower, the Arc de Triomphe, the Louvre Museum, and the Notre Dame Cathedral. Paris is also known for its romantic atmosphere, its lively nightlife, and its diverse cuisine. If you want to experience the essence of France, Paris is a must-see destination. The second place on our list is Nice, the fifth largest city in France. Nice is located on the French Riviera and enjoys a mild Mediterranean climate. It has a beautiful seaside promenade, the Promenade d'Anglais, where you can enjoy the views of the azure water and the pebbly beach. Nice also has a rich cultural heritage, with museums, churches, and historical buildings. If you want to relax and soak up the sun, Nice is a great choice. The third place on our list is Strasbourg, the capital of the Alsace region. Strasbourg is a charming city that blends French and German influences. It has a UNESCO World Heritage listed historic center, the Grundale, where you can admire the Gothic cathedral, the medieval houses, and the picturesque canals. Strasbourg is also home to several important European institutions, such as the European Parliament and the Council of Europe. If you want to learn more about the history and politics of Europe, Strasbourg is a fascinating place to visit. The fourth place on our list is Mont Saint-Michel, a stunning island and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Mont Saint-Michel is located in Normandy and rises above the sea like a fairy tale castle. It has a majestic abbey that dates back to the 8th century, as well as a medieval village with narrow streets and shops. Mont Saint-Michel is a popular pilgrimage site and a marvel of architecture and engineering. If you want to witness a spectacular and unique sight, Mont Saint-Michel is a must-see. The fifth place on our list is Lyon, the third largest city in France. Lyon is a gastronomic and cultural hub. It has a UNESCO World Heritage listed historic center, where you can explore the Roman ruins, the Renaissance palaces, and the Traboule's hidden passageways. Lyon is also famous for its silk industry, its festivals, and its cuisine, which includes specialties such as quenelles, sausages, and cheese. If you want to taste the best of French food and culture, Lyon is a delicious destination. The sixth place on our list is Bordeaux, the capital of the Aquitaine region. Bordeaux is a port city on the Garonne River and a renowned wine destination. It has a UNESCO World Heritage listed historic center, where you can admire the elegant 18th century architecture, the Grand Place de la Bourse, and the monumental Cathedral of St. Andrew. Bordeaux is also a great base for exploring the nearby vineyards and castles. If you want to enjoy the finest of French wine and heritage, Bordeaux is a perfect place to visit. The seventh place on our list is Provence, a region in southeastern France. Provence is known for its scenic landscapes, its sunny weather, and its lavender fields. It has many charming villages, such as Gordes, Roussillon, and Lourmarin, where you can enjoy the local culture and cuisine. Provence is also home to the stunning Verdon Gorge, the largest canyon in Europe, and the Calanques, a series of rocky inlets along the Mediterranean coast. If you want to experience the beauty and diversity of nature, Provence is a wonderful place to explore. The eighth place on our list is Chamonix-Mont-Blanc, a resort town in the French Alps. Chamonix-Mont-Blanc is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and winter sports lovers. It is located at the foot of Mont Blanc, the highest mountain in Western Europe. and offers spectacular views of the snow-capped peaks and glaciers. Chamonix-Mont-Blanc is also a popular destination for hiking, climbing, skiing, and paragliding. If you want to have some fun and adventure, Chamonix-Mont-Blanc is an exciting place to visit. The 9th place on our list is Loire Valley, a region in central France. Loire Valley is famous for its magnificent chateaux, its lush gardens, and its rich history. It has more than 300 castles, ranging from medieval fortresses to Renaissance palaces, such as Chambord, Chenonceau, and Amboise. Loire Valley is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a wine-producing area, with vineyards and wineries along the Loire River. If you want to immerse yourself in the elegance and charm of France, Loire Valley is a dreamy place to visit. The 10th place on our list is Corsica, an island in the Mediterranean Sea. Corsica is a unique and diverse destination that offers a mix of natural beauty and cultural heritage. It has a rugged coastline, with sandy beaches, rocky cliffs, and hidden coves. It also has a mountainous interior, with forests, lakes, and hiking trails. Corsica is also the birthplace of Napoleon Bonaparte, and has a distinctive identity and language. If you want to discover a different and authentic side of France, Corsica is a place to visit. The 11th place on our list is Aix-en-Provence, a city in Provence. Aix-en-Provence is a former capital of the region and a center of art and culture. It has a graceful and elegant atmosphere, with boulevards, fountains, and mansions. Aix-en-Provence is also the hometown of the painter Paul Chan, and you can visit his studio and the places that inspired his works. Aix-en-Provence is also known for its markets, its festivals, and its calicens. If you want to enjoy the sophistication and refinement of France, Aix-en-Provence is a place to visit. The 12th place on our list is Colmar, a town in Alsace. Colmar is a picture-perfect destination that looks like it came out of a fairy tale. It has a well-preserved old town, with colorful half-timbered houses, flower-filled balconies, and cobblestone streets. Colmar is also a wine capital, and you can taste the local wines and specialties in the cozy Winstub's wine taverns. Colmar is also the birthplace of the sculptor Auguste Bartholdi, who created the Statue of Liberty. If you want to experience the charm and magic of France, Colmar is a place to visit. The 13th place on our list is Normandy, a region in northern France. Normandy is a historic and scenic destination that has played a significant role in World War II. It has many sites and museums related to the D-Day landings, such as the Normandy American Cemetery, the Omaha Beach, and the Pointe du Hoc. Normandy is also known for its countryside, its coastline, and its gastronomy, which includes cheese, cider, and Calvados apple brandy. If you want to learn more about the history and culture of France, Normandy is a place to visit. The 14th place on our list is Cannes, a city on the French Riviera. Cannes is a glamorous and sophisticated destination that hosts the famous Cannes Film Festival every year. It has a beautiful sandy beach, a chic promenade, and a lively harbor. Cannes is also a shopping paradise, with designer boutiques, luxury hotels, and upscale restaurants. Cannes is also a great base for exploring the nearby islands, such as Les Sainte-Marguerite and Les Saint-Omer. If you want to experience the glamour and luxury of France, Cannes is a place to visit. The 15th and final place on our list is Carcassonne, a fortified town in the Languedoc region. Carcassonne is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a medieval wonder. It has a double ring of walls, 53 towers, and a castle, which create an impressive and imposing sight. Carcassonne is also a lively and charming place, with shops, cafes, and festivals. Carcassonne is also a good starting point for visiting the Cathar castles, the Canal du Midi, and the vineyards of the region. If you want to see a remarkable and authentic example of France, Carcassonne is a place to visit. And that's it for our list of the 15 best places to visit in France. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Also, let us know in the comments below which place you would like to visit the most, or if you have any other suggestions for places to visit in France. Thank you for watching and see you next time.